stand against all murderers, oppressors, corrupt and violent political leaders. Stand against all murderers, oppressors, corrupt and violent political leaders. All ministers should resign if they are unable to control and govern the country. The nation doesn't want to see your faces if you yourselves are involved crime doing. Being an MP or a minister, that means being a servant of the people. There is nothing glorious about it. Respected Prime Minister Tariq Rahman, consult with respected Islamic scholars and run the state accordingly if you wish to remain in power for some time. No one wants to see a vindictive, selfish, and incompetent government. Strong steps must be taken to govern the state, otherwise crime, corruption, violence, and chaos will increase. Especially execute the death penalty for the killers of rape victim Amina of Noshindi. Otherwise, the people will launch movement into the new BNP government. BNP should be careful in the next time. Otherwise, there may be created national movement to remove the existence of the BNP political theory. Thanks everyone to follow my video.